you, why is it important? And why do we need Brandys?
Okay.
Good question.
Put on the spot ako. Ano po ba ito, Paji? Brandys is needed because we want to celebrate the successes of our people, our frontliners, which is you guys. And I think it's also a good way for us to remember that all our efforts and all our hard work are actually for something greater for tomorrow.
Thank you.
And I thank you.
Thank you for helping me define it. But exactly. We celebrate Brandys because this is what defines us. This is part of our core and our culture of being fanatical to our staff. Both our frontliners and support leaders deserve nothing less but one hell of a celebration for everything that we've been through as a program for the past 2 years. Our program has been into several, transformation, and our journey had not been easy. There was an old saying or quote, alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much. And that's exactly what I have seen for this team. We won't be able to navigate through the challenges of pandemic without the pillar of brands, which is, our people, right? You. We achieved 96% CVA for 2021 because of you. We delivered to the most challenging tasks required by our client, our onshore parity project, because of you. We will have multiple growth this year of more than 120 headcount, and that's because of you. I'm honored and grateful to have given an opportunity to witness a strong team that can withstand and surpass, different challenges, pandemic or not. So Brandys will always be our legacy. No matter what the future holds, Brandys will always be our culture, and brands will never be brands without our Brandys. Good night, everyone.
Yes, thank you so much, SOM. That was a very nice message coming from you.